हेलो एवरीवन, आपका मैं तहे दिल से स्वागत करता हूं अपने यूट्यूब चैनल जिसका नाम है सक्सेस फैक्टर्स। और मैं आपको ये बताना चाहता हूं कि ये चैनल जो है मैंने इसलिए शुरू किया है कि जो लोग टेक्निकल सपोर्ट में जॉब सर्च कर रहे हैं या जिनको अभी तक जॉब नहीं मिल पाई है और वो जानना चाहते हैं कि वो जॉब कैसे प्राप्त करें, सो इस चैनल के माध्यम से आप जॉब को प्राप्त कर सकते हैं और अपने स्किल्स को अपग्रेड कर सकते हैं। सो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, लाइक व्हाट इज़ द मेन थिंग टू गेट a job in an international BPO or in MNC, in multinational companies? So let me tell you very clearly, like you have to get motivated. Keep yourself motivated, and all the time you have to keep yourself motivated. A motivational thing is not a rocket science, okay? And getting a job in an MNC or in technical support, it is not a rocket science, or it's not any mathematical equation. So you can get a job, and you can be on the very higher side. You will not start it from the bottom. You will be catching the things very early, like not like this. You will be catching the things like this. You will be on the top at 3 steps if you will follow my methods and my whatever, all the things which I'm going to tell you in this video. So this is my first video. This is the introduction about myself. So my introduction is that my name is Ashish Upadhyay, and basically I am BTech. I have done my educational qualification is a BTech, Bachelor of Technology in Engineering, and I have a vast experience in technical support and in this industry. So I'm working in this industry for a long time, and I've worked for several companies as an MNC. So if you want to work in an MNC, if you want to get a job in MNC, so if you have anything you want to know regarding how to crack an interview, what will be asked in the interview process, and how many rounds will be there, and who will take your interview, starting to top, it can be 3 rounds. Every company has different criteria for the process for recruitment. So recruitment will be like 3 rounds, 4 rounds. In some companies there are 6 rounds, but it depends for which profile and for which company you are applying for. So first of all, I want to tell you, like getting in a job, or placing yourself in an industry which is BPO, business process outsourcing, or in a technical support, it is not a very hard thing. Let me tell you very simply, it's very a genuine thing. It's a mindset like you are running through, like you can't get a job. So as a struggling phase, everyone struggles at once in their lifetime. Even I have struggled many years to get a job in technical support, to work in with the US or UK clients. Let me tell you about, like I have worked for US clients, like United States, and for UK, United Kingdom clients, and worked with them. And while in the starting phase of my in technical support in my period, so that time it was a lengthy one. Like I grabbed the things in 6 months. It was 6 months time. I was able to talk with a US customer. He was a US citizen, United States citizen, and I was able to convince him, and that was my first achievement, the success. What you say success? Start with something you are getting which you have thought of, so that is a success. जो आपने सोचा है और वो आपको मिल रहा है, वही सक्सेस है. जो आपने सोचा है वो आप पूरा कर पा रहे हैं, वही सक्सेस है. और वन मोर थिंग आई वांट टू टेल यू, आपको ऐसा नहीं सोचना है कि आप नहीं जॉब प्राप्त कर सकते हैं और आप नहीं कंपनी में जा सकते हैं, और कि अगर आप कोई इंटरव्यू फेल कर जाते हैं, यू आर रिजेक्टेड इन एनी ऑफ द इंटरव्यूज, आई विल टेल यू हाउ टू गेट सेलेक्टेड फॉर द सेम इंटरव्यू, एंड यू विल बी देयर on your on the top of the job profile. You will be getting selected. So I have been through with these all phases in my life. मैं इन सब चीज़ों से गुजरा हुआ हूँ कि मैं भी बहुत बार रिजेक्ट हुआ था एक टाइम में. It was a time in 2015 somewhere around, and 2013 I started my career in 2013 as an BPO sector. Later I switched to the IT industry. So right now from 5 years I'm working in an IT industry, like an IT sector industry in an MNC. So let me tell you, like, keep upgrading your skills. Keep upgrading your skills, your mindset. Your mindset has to be very clear. Like what is the role, which position you want to go with, and what kind of profile you are looking for, because there are several profiles, several departments you can choose according to your mindset, according to your efficiency. So that's what I want to say, and I want to say you will get a job. You will going to get a job, and if you have any question regarding with that, like there are several questions: how to crack an interview, how to get selected, what will be asked in the interview process while applying for an MNC in multinational companies. So आप बेझिझक होके इस चैनल पे मुझसे कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. मैं आपके सारी बातों का उत्तर दूंगा और सारी बातों का आंसर दूंगा बिल्कुल सटीक. So just you can message me, you can just reply me, give me a response, and according to your responses, what is your thinking, आप किस चीज़ के ऊपर आंसर चाहते हैं, मैं इसके ऊपर वीडियो बनाऊंगा. For my upcoming videos will be very very accurate, and that will give you 100% surety you are going to get a job, and you can even start your own business in technical support. So technical support is just not like doing a job only, but my way, either I can say, when I have started, so I was not looking forward to going in any business. I don't want to open any technical support firm or any business. So I continued with getting a job in technical support, and right now I'm in a very higher position. I'm working in a very big company in an MNC. It's so, and it is only due to my experiences which I have gained in my past with the companies I have worked with. I have worked like around for 8 companies. It was all international. मैंने अभी तक 8 कंपनियों में काम किया है पिछले 7 सालों में, और सारी इंटरनेशनल प्रोसेसेस थे, और US अमेरिका सिटीजन्स एंड UK यूनाइटेड किंगडम सिटीजन्स को आई हैव सर्व्ड, एंड मीन्स आई हैव गिवन देम सपोर्ट. मैंने उनको प्रॉब्ली सपोर्ट दिया है, और here I am today in front of you and telling you all these things which you can be also doing in your future or in this present time. So don't waste your time. Stood on your feet and think what you want to do. So please comment, share, और जो भी अगर आपको लगता है आप मेरे से पूछ सकते हैं. Please ask me on this channel. I will give you 100% surety about the things. You're going to get a job in the technical support and MNC. That will be your next step, and you will fly the world. Thanks for your time and have a good day. Bye bye.